It was a cloudy start to the day over the western part of South Africa, with thundershowers starting up from early on in the day and then extending all the way through to the eastern Cape Coast by Saturday evening, and that allowed for a clearing over the southwestern part of South Africa. Our satellite also shows thunderstorms flaring up over the southeastern interior, where there's a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms on Saturday night. And then lastly, you'll see that band of cloud which represents a cold front on its way towards South Africa's borders, but only really affecting our weather on Sunday evening. We're expecting a fine and hot day in the northeast on Sunday, with a sizzling hot day for KwaZulu-Natal, mostly cloudy with isolated thundershowers over the western and southern parts, and we're also expecting thundershowers through to the southeastern part of South Africa, with the possibility of evening drizzle or light rainfall over the southwestern part of the country. We're expecting a fresh northwesterly wind over the interior part of the Northern Cape, with almost calm conditions in the northeast and a northeasterly wind along the east coast. Here's that scorching hot weather for KwaZulu-Natal, 40 degrees for Lundi, 38 as we head towards Richards Bay and Pietermaritzburg. We're expecting a few thundershowers over the interior, and that extends all the way through to Ladysmith at 36 degrees. It'll be a slightly cooler day for the Eastern Cape on Sunday, but temperatures still remain hot over the interior and warm along the coast, with the possibility of isolated thundershowers throughout the province. Mostly cloudy with thundershowers in a high of 24 degrees for George and Plettenberg Bay. We're also expecting thundershowers mainly over the interior part of the Western Cape, with some light evening rain or drizzle for Hermanus, Cape Town and Langebaan. Cape Town starting off at 17 degrees with a maximum of 27. Quite comfortable weather conditions for the Cape Town cycle tour. A light to moderate southwesterly wind and partly cloudy and dry weather until Sunday evening. We're forecasting a high of 33 degrees for Fredenal. Alexander Bay remains dry, but we're expecting thundershowers through to Springbok. Thundershowers extend over the western and southeastern part of the Northern Cape, but things remain dry over the northern and eastern parts. Bloemfontein 20 and 34 degrees, with a predominantly dry forecast for the Free State, other than a few thundershowers for Bethlehem and Harrismith. No rain is forecast for the northwest on Sunday, with highs in the low and middle 30s. You'll see a sunny day in store for Limpopo, with maximums in the mid-30s for Zanin and Messina. Phalaborwa topping a toasty 40 degrees. 41 as we head into Skukuza, with a sunny Sunday in store for Bombela at 35. Mostly sunny and dry as we head towards the western part of Mpumalanga, with highs in the low 30s. You'll also see a dry day for Gauteng, partly cloudy at 31 for Soweto and Johannesburg, and Pretoria warming up to 34 degrees. Monday morning starts off with some rain in Cape Town, with rain expected over the southern part of South Africa. We're also expecting a cooler day. Thundershowers extend over the western and southeastern part of the country, but things still remain dry in the northeast up until Tuesday, where that band moves eastward, and that also brings in cooler weather in the northeast, with things drying out again in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.